everyone, it's been 2 years and 10 months since I got my eye color changed. And after the surgery, I didn't feel any pain in my eyes. And right after, I went back to my hotel by myself without any help. There had been no redness, no blood in the eye, and no sting. My eye color was like how I want it to be. So it's so natural, people think that they are my own eyes. I'm so happy that I had this surgery and with my new eye color. I haven't had any problem in my eyes since the surgery and I'm so happy with that. In almost 3 years since I got the surgery, I got regular checkup, had enough sleep, avoiding stress in my life, and taking life easy. I'm also a vegetarian, so I always eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, so I think that affected my journey in a good way.